Introducing the Shiba Inu, the rule breaker of the crypto world. It has flooded the market with hundreds of millions of dollars in only the previous 24 hours, with a spike of over 50%. Now, you may be asking why Shiba Inu's value increases every single day, accomplishing in a single day what other cryptocurrency projects take years to do. The fascinating dynamics of this cryptocurrency hold the key, but what the fuck is going on? I say we just find out. Important notice. The cryptocurrency industry is seeing a dramatic change right now, which is fascinating both investors and enthusiasts. A community that has endured a long time of uncertainty may find some solace in recent indications that point to a possible break from the bear market that has endured for more than 2 years. This renewed hope is sparked by the analysis offered by Plan B's methodology, which is well regarded in the cryptocurrency field. Rumors have been circulating that the first red indication to emerge on this model since 2021 heralds what may be the beginning of a meteoric rise. There's been more than a passing interest in this development. The crypto community is very receptive to this signal. Feeling the relief that comes with the possibility of prolonged bear market's closure has amplified the euphoria inside this community. To better understand this, picture a tired traveler spending 2 years making their way through a thick, foggy forest. The darkness of mistrust and uncertainty shrouded every step. A feeling of relief sweeps over as the sun breaks through the canopy, like discovering the clearing after what seems like an interminable trek. This possible change is about more than simply money for people who are really involved in the cryptocurrency realm. Getting back on track is the main focus. The understanding that there's more to the market than figures and graphs. It's the story of a group of people who have overcome obstacles by working together. As the crypto community prepares to bid farewell to the bear market era, they are filled with fresh energy and a common feeling of accomplishment. The recent approval of the first ever Bitcoin exchange traded fund, ETF, is the driving force behind this possible market turnaround. The clearance has brought a ray of hope to the cryptocurrency market, changing investor sentiment and setting it on an upward trend. In a recent tweet, a crypto expert illuminated this watershed event, capturing the scope of the change. Their Bitcoin holdings surpassed the newly mined supply, highlighting the huge influence of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, according to the tweet. How is this even conceivable? Is the inevitable follow-up inquiry. And the key is to learn the ins and outs of cryptocurrency exchanges. Crypto exchanges are not dependent on the creation of new bitcoins on a daily basis, unlike conventional financial institutions. On the contrary, they make it easier to trade using what is already available. Imagine a stock market analogy. Instead of waiting for the company to issue new shares every day, buying and selling takes place among current shareholders. There's a great deal of purchasing pressure due to the surplus that ETFs generate. The demand exceeds the daily production as more and more investors go to crypto exchanges to buy Bitcoin using ETFs, creating conditions for a possible spike in prices. It boils down to basic economics. Prices tend to rise when there is a high demand and a limited supply. Crucially, Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency seeing a bull run right now. Altcoins are also impacted by it. The cryptocurrency industry has seen this pattern repeatedly. Investors want diversification as Bitcoin's quick growth prompts them to move capital into competing cryptocurrencies, hoping for potentially better returns. For example, Shiba Inu has seen gains of more than 120% in as little as 2 days. An extraordinary display by any measure. To put this in context, a 12-fold increase in just a few days would be seen as absolutely phenomenal in the world of conventional investment strategies. This enormous spike is quite astounding, given the unique characteristics of the cryptocurrency market and the prospects it offers. To add another twist to this developing story, Coinbase has risen significantly in the App Store rankings as a result of the current increase in the cryptocurrency market. Coinbase saw a stratospheric ascent in the most downloaded applications rating, jumping from 445 to 150 in the space of 4 days. Curiously, this meteoric rise in popularity reminds me of something that happened long ago in the crypto realm. If you recall back to when Coinbase was at the top of its game, you might remember that Shiba Inu was a key player. Coinbase even used the name of the coin Shiba Inu in their app title during that time. That's how much of an impact it had. Now, that Coinbase's App Store rating has recently gone increased. It's hard not to ask, will this be another rerun of the past? The evidence is undeniably strong. Coinbase saw a record-breaking download increase while Shiba Inu was the market sentiment leader, thanks to retail investors anxious to jump on the crypto bandwagon. Once again, Coinbase is making steady progress up the App Store rankings. It feels like something you've seen before. There has been much speculation in the cryptocurrency industry about whether this is the beginning of a new era in which a single cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu could propel Coinbase to unprecedented levels of popularity. Not to mention the Shiba Inu's lightning-fast development, a gain of more than 120% in as little as 2 days. An overall trend, revival of interest and engagement in the cryptocurrency industry is reflected in the rising rating of Coinbase on the App Store. Here we go again. If this wave of enthusiasm for a certain cryptocurrency keeps building, Coinbase will likely become the hub for retail investors. The intricate relationship between certain digital items and the platforms that house them is illustrated by this intriguing influence and popularity cycle. While it may appear that the resurrection of Coinbase, the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF, and the rise of Bitcoin are all part of the usual market dynamics, whoever is waiting for the future of the Shiba Inu to be revealed is in for a real treat. Coming up, we'll dive into an in-depth Shiba Inu price analysis by a leading analyst covering all the bases, the present situation of this cryptocurrency and forecast for the next weeks. Shiba Inu's recent spectacular ascent has enthralled many, and many are eager to learn more about the breed's future prospects. Then get ready for the long-awaited analysis. Stay with me as I lead you through the maze that is Shiba Inu's experience in the cryptocurrency market. Make sure you don't miss this portion by continuing to watch the video. Stay tuned for all the latest news about Shiba Inu and what's to come in the coming weeks. Therefore, a seasoned crypto analyst named Altcoin Sherpa has dropped a bombshell on Shiba Inu, predicting a possible rally similar to Dogecoin's expected trajectory. The fascinating similarities between Doge's and Shiba Inu's market capitalizations form the basis of this prediction. If Altcoin Sherpa is correct, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will take turns becoming the most popular meme coin throughout the next bull run. According to the seasoned analyst,